Now, why be an intentional leader? Well, you're going to want to be an intentional leader because there's nothing more rewarding and exhausting. There's nothing more rewarding than putting on your leadership hat and thinking about how you're going to lead, what you're going to say, and who you're going to impact every single day of your life that you get up to work as a solopreneur in your business. It will push you to the end of your leadership potential if you actually let it. If you actually don't put brakes on it, if you actually remove the governor or the speed limiter on your leadership and seek out new information and new experiences. And you know this as a solopreneur. And of course, and this is a big idea here, we are in a time of massive change in the hands of the most innocuous people imaginable. Look down at your own hands. I'm looking at all of you right now so I can tell if you're looking or not. Look down at your own hands. Those are the hands that are going to build the future. Not Joe Biden's hands, not Donald Trump's hands, not your mayor or governor's hands. It's going to be your hands. And it means that you need to be intentional about what you put in those hands and what tools you put in those hands. And of course, who you listen to and who you ignore.